PeaRoy. How you doing?
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Rick?
Oh,
I'm all right. It's hot. It's real hot.
You getting anything done?
No, it's too hot.
It's too hot. It's too hot. I think I'm gonna cut the grass in a little while.
Well, I watched it.
You heard any jokes lately? Also, you know, we need to let everybody know these are dad jokes.
Oh, bad. Yeah,
You know, dad jokes.
and they're bad jokes and dad jokes.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
Whatever, but I'm just saying. So what do bees use to comb their hair?
I don't know what the bees use to comb their hair.
Honeycomb.
Honeycomb. Huh? Honeycomb, that's funny.
I know, but it's a dad
Yeah.
joke.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Tell Ned.
All right, where do you learn how to make a banana
A
split?
banana split. I don't know. Where you learn that?
In Sunday.
Sunday school. That's funny. That'll tell you. That's funny. Yeah.
All right. Well, I got one. Hang
Okay.
on. All right. So why didn't the Invisible Man take the job?
I really don't know.
Well, he just couldn't see himself.
Couldn't see it. Couldn't see himself.
Oh, yeah.
Well, why don't you tell one more?
So, what's the best way to burn off 1,000 calories?
Well, you know, I don't know. What's the best way?
Just don't take the pizza out of the oven. I know that hits home with
Yeah, I know it does. Me too. Okay. All right, I got one. If an athlete gets athlete's foot, what does an elf get?
If an athlete gets athlete's foot, what is an elf? I don't know.
Mistletoe. Yeah.
Mistletoe.
What do you get from a pampered cow?
I don't know.
Spoiled milk.
I heard somebody say something like, well, that baby's spoiled. No, all babies smell like that. I know. It's not only a dad joke, it's a bad joke.
What do you call an empty can of cheese whiz?
Cheese. I don't know.
Cheese was.
Cheese was, huh? All right, well, do you got a long joke?
Well, yeah, I got a long joke. You don't hear it? There was one went to the doctor, see, and the woman says, "Doc," she said, "I don't know what to do." I said, "I got my husband. He just seems to always be in a mad and a rant. He's always upset. I don't know what to do about it." And he says, "Well, I'll tell you what." He said, "You take a glass of cold water, and when he starts going mad and hollering and screaming, you put that water inside your mouth, and you just swish it and swish it and swish it and swish it
around your mouth
until he calms down and either leaves the room, calms down, or whatever." He said, "You do that for 2 weeks and come back and see me." So, sure enough, 2 weeks later, woman comes back to the doctor and said, "You ain't gonna believe how that affected my husband. Why, he's just the nicest thing. He walks around with his chest out. He's just a wonderful man now. I don't understand. How did that water, swishing that water in my mouth, how did it make him turn around like that?" The doctor said, "Well, I hate to tell you, but that water in your mouth ain't what done it. It's you keeping your mouth closed while it's all going on is what done it."
Ooh, that's not good.
In other words, shut up, woman. I didn't say that. I did not say that. All right.
Oh, I hope Janet don't hear that joke. We may have to use it on her. I did not say. Who said that?
You didn't. I didn't hear it. No, I know about that. Hey, you got a joke, I bet you. Why don't you tell it, all right?
All right, I'll tell mine.
Okay.
All right, well, one time there was a doctor. Mine's a doctor joke too.
Okay.
One time there was this doctor, and he had his patient come in because the results of the test had come in, and the man sits down and he says, Mr. Jones, I got some bad news for you, and I got some worse news. Oh man, that's bad. Jones looked at him and said, well, good Lord. Take that. Well, tell me the bad news first, and then tell me the worst news later.
Well, that's what I did.
He said, yes, sir. He says, the tester have come back, and you've only got 24 hours to live. He goes, oh my God, what could be worse than that? He said, well, I tried to call you yesterday. Oh.
Oh man. Oh man, that ain't right. That's
All
crazy.
right, while it ain't raining, let's go do something.
All right, maybe let's go
do a Slurpee.
I'll watch it. You gonna do a Slurpee? What? I don't got nothing to do with Slurpee. Wait.